Hello! Today we'll delve into the process of optimizing our Elementor header for mobile devices. If you haven't watched the previous video on creating the Elementor header, please check it out before proceeding. Let's dive in. There are two ways to preview your design on mobile. Right-click and select Inspect Tools, then choose the mobile icon. Edit with Elementor and switch to the mobile view. Now, if you observe that it's not mobile responsive, don't worry, we'll fix that. Let's get started. Firstly, duplicate the main container, the first one for desktop and the one below for mobile. Hide the above one for mobile in the advanced settings by clicking on Responsive and selecting Hide for mobile. Repeat the same process for the mobile section, hiding it for desktop. Now, let's focus on designing our mobile header. If you feel the button is unnecessary for mobile, go ahead and delete it. We now have the logo and the menu icon, and we need to adjust their widths to make them in line. Click on the container and set the width to 50%. Similarly, set the width of the below container to 40%. This provides a balanced look. The menu icon is now a drop-down, and you can style it as needed. You can change the icon under the toggle button and make additional adjustments. However, we're taking a different approach here. I'm going to delete the existing icon and add a new one, adjusting it to align with the menu. Customize its style to suit the theme of your website. Alright, update the changes and exit the editor for a moment. Head to Elementor Templates and create a pop-up for your mobile menu, designing it to match your website theme. Now, return to our header Elementor editor. Click on the newly added icon, go to Dynamic Tags, under Content, under Link, click on Popup, and select our mobile menu pop-up. All done. Let's take a look. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. For more insightful tutorials, subscribe to our YouTube channel Zenifyl. Your support means the world to us.